Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. I have this altered box I want to share with you, and I've seen several of these on the web, and I really wanted to make one to hold my MemoryDex cards. So it so happens that the Graphic 45 ATC book box is the perfect width for the MemoryDex cards. So I took my cue from these altered Graphic 45 boxes that I've been seeing around the web, and I decided to give it a go. As you can see, I used the Graphic 45 Flutter 8x8 paper and chipboard pieces and sticker, along with one of their antique brass door pulls. This ATC book box was super easy to alter, and as you can see, it holds my MemoryDex cards so well. Now this beautiful MemoryDex card was made for me by my friend Debbie Vignola. Hi Debbie! And Debbie used the Graphic 45 Floral Shop collection. Isn't it beautiful? If you're looking for a creative alternative to storing your MemoryDex cards, I highly recommend that you give these boxes a try. Now, remember the size that I used is the ATC book box. I'm going to go ahead and leave links to the book box and the papers that I used in the description area below. Thank you so very much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye now.